So I've just dropped off this load of steel. I've just dropped off this load of steel at the scrapyard, and so I'm checking, and then they managed to trick me because they just said it's stainless. Now the difference between stainless and that is like, if there's about 200 kilograms here, 300 kilograms, that makes it about 35,000 yen, as opposed to about 10,000 yen. Something like that. So when he says it's stained, it's stained, and then I went, I says, you're lying. And so then as I approached him, like, he put the magnet to the steel, and and so he put the magnet to it, and it stuck. So he wasn't stainless. They managed to trick me. The Chinese bastards. Well done, lads. So that's Damasarita ne. Chugoku go wanani damasarita. Right? Damasarita. Wakaru damasarita. They don't understand damasarita, but they tricked me. Anyway, bye bye.